So, John, who's the new guy?
You're talking about this guy sitting right next to me?
Mm-hmm.
This handsome fellow? This is new Billy.
I thought I was Billy.
No, you're done. You're cut. You're benched. You're out. He's sweeter than you are. He has a 12% more dick joke per second rate than you do.
I don't get another chance?
Do I have a penis in my pants?
Probably not.
Damn, he's good. New Billy? But I'm the only Billy.
This is old Bill.
Old Billy.
Pee on his soap, that'll show him.
Probably a good thing.
That's why there's new Billy.
Okay.
Simpson shots! Hey Chuck, you want to watch Bicentennial Man?
Yeah.
Yeah.
What if it's my dick?
Oh, what if that was your dick?
$1 million. Okay. Cold hard cash. ICP tattoo. Like full on chest tattoo.
Yeah, I'd do that.
Okay.
I'd do that
Cool.
one. That's an easy one.
So let me take you home.
John! Hey! John! This soap, this bathtub soap is fantastic!
Fantastic? The guy's putting pee on his face.
Oh, I bit my Wookiee.
Cowabunga!
Oh, eat my shorts. Don't.
Hey guys, can I have a white wine spritzer? Spritzer?
Get out of here! Get out of here, you! Get!
Okay, new Billy, this is what we do next.
Okay, John. I didn't want to say this, but you keep calling me new Billy, and I don't really like it. And plus, it's like there's not really much of an old Billy anymore, so it's kind of redundant, and it hurts my feelings.
What the hell are you doing? Get the fuck out of here.
Maybe just give Chuck a shot and not new Billy? Then it would make me feel a little.
At least that's how it seems. I've never known another way. Living out
A little more credited in this relationship, this union that we've got. I'm not really trying to like sound selfish right now, but it's like when you call me new Billy, it makes me think of old Billy, and it's like, who even really wants to think about old Billy? I don't know if are you still thinking about old Billy?
always were my angel, flying high above, always looking out for me, angel that I love. Now my dreams are fading like
I don't know. I feel like I can just like talk to you easier. You're like so much better to talk to.
We're just so much alike. He's so short, and his beard's not even brown.
Okay, I noticed that. I didn't want to say anything, but I did notice that.
It's like it's barely there.
His penis isn't even that good.
His penis is it's not even circumcised. Sword fight! Don't cross the street.
Oh, you bet I will.
God damn it, Billies.